In this video we will talk about Avocado Face Mask for glowing skin, remove dark spots, tighten skin, prevent acne. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified when we upload new videos daily. Avocados in the form of face masks are a natural and chemical-free way to nourish skin. If you are looking for some natural home remedies to replenish your face, especially if you have dry, red, itchy, or rough skin due to the harsh weather, then you should really consider all the benefits of avocado, including, as mentioned, it's great for skincare. They are a rich source of essential nutrients that soothe and moisturize your face. They contain vitamin B, vitamin E, and amino acids. Number 1. Avocado and oatmeal. Set for massage or body care procedures with different ingredients. Recipe: cook the oatmeal as per normal and mash the avocado, with its seed and skin removed. Mix and stir both together until all the pulp is dissolved. Benefits: applying this formula as a facial mask can help to repair damaged skin and provides much needed moisture to the skin. Beauty fanatics can choose to keep it on for 15 minutes or allow it to dry naturally. Number 2. Avocado oatmeal mask for gentle exfoliation. Exfoliating your skin is crucial to remove the upper dead skin layer and reveal the naturally glowing skin underneath. Avocado and oatmeal make a gentle exfoliating face mask that is perfect for all skin types. Number 3. Avocado, banana, and egg. Recipe: pick a soft avocado and mix together with a banana and an egg yolk. Stir the mixture until a consistent paste is produced. Benefits: people who are suffering from oily skin can seek help from this recipe. By applying it to the face for 10 to 15 minutes, it helps to reduce the natural oil content in the skin and can prevent acne and blemishes. Number 4. Avocado and honey. Recipe: remove seeds and peel skin from the avocado and mash it up. Mix and stir thoroughly with 1 tablespoon of honey until a standard paste is produced. Benefits: both avocado and honey are natural skin moisturizers. A short application time of 15 minutes helps to erase any signs of dull complexion and gives the skin a radiant glow. Number 5. Avocado and yogurt. Recipe: take 1/4 avocado and squash it until the lumps disappear. Mix it with 1 teaspoon of organic yogurt and stir again until both are evenly combined. Benefits: another great facial mask to restore essential facial moisture. In addition, the lactic acid in yogurt helps to kill bacteria and treat acne. Beauty experts recommend application for 10 to 15 minutes. Number 6. Avocado, honey, and yogurt. Recipe: similar to the recipe for the avocado and yogurt mask, simply add half a teaspoon of honey into the mix. Benefits: for people who suffer from extremely dry skin, this triple element recipe can provide high levels of moisture to the skin and is most suitable for weather that can dry out the skin, succès as in the winter season. Number 7. Avocado, honey, and orange. Fresh honey with lemon and orange fruits. Recipe: add in 2 tablespoons of orange juice, 1 teaspoon of honey and a couple droplets of chamomile oil with a mashed avocado and stir thoroughly. Hidden inflammation inside your body may be causing your tiredness. Turmeric may just be what you need to reduce your inflammation and boost your energy again. Benefits: honey helps to moisturize the skin while the orange and avocado exfoliates impurities from the face. Suggested application period is 20 minutes. Number 8. Avocado, honey, and lemon. Recipe: mash an avocado and thoroughly mix with half tablespoon of honey and half teaspoon of lemon juice. Benefits: the avocado moisturizes the skin, while the honey and lemon work in tandem, functioning as a skin brightener. At the end of a 20-minute session, the skin appears more nourished with a radiant glow. Number 9. Avocado, lemon, and egg. Recipe: mash up an avocado before mixing it with lemon juice and egg whites. Thoroughly stir and ensure that a well-combined paste is produced. Benefits: This recipe contains the unique ability to control the natural oil volume in the skin and ensures that skin texture remains soft and smooth. Experts highly recommend this formula for people with oily skin with suggested application period of 20 minutes. Number 10. Avocado slices. Benefits: effectively removes blackheads. Saving the best for last, avocados can be cut into slices and used as a conventional facial mask. By rubbing the slices onto the face, it helps to remove unsightly blackheads and restore the skin to its natural shine. Number 11. Cucumber Avocado Mask. This avocado and cucumber mask is a great remedy for acne treatment. When the two are combined, they can help clean out skin pores and avoid breakouts. Number 12. Avocado and Apricot Face Mask for sensitive skin. If you have sensitive skin, avoid applying oats or any other exfoliating agent that can potentially cause irritation. You may instead use apricots. These are extra gentle on your skin and effectively remove dirt, pollution, and the dead skin layer. Number 13. Avocado and Green Tea Clay Face Mask for oily skin. Though oil is good for the skin, excess of it may cause breakouts. Avocado and Green Tea Clay Mask helps control the excess oil, restores skin balance, and protects the skin. Number 14. Avocado and Yogurt Face Mask for smooth skin. Rough skin can have many causes. Acne, dry skin, and open pores can lead to an uneven skin texture. The avocado and yogurt mask can help revive your skin and make it smooth and soft. Number 15. Avocado and Lemon Face Mask for dark spots. Dark spots can occur due to aging or sun exposure. Lemon is loaded with vitamin C, an antioxidant that protects the skin and helps reduce pigmentation. Avocado keeps skin hydrated. I hope you found some useful information and tips. I look forward to hearing from you. Warning: none of the information on our videos is a substitute for a diagnosis and treatment by your health professional.